Want to look young forever? Eat the right foods. When we follow a diet that's rich with a variety of high-quality foods that contain antioxidants, healthy fats, water, and different nutrients, our body will show its appreciation through its largest organ, our skin, says celebrity nutritionist Karen Adoni Ben David. And while products can help, it's the fuel you need to take a look at. Here, some of Adoni Ben David's favorite anti-aging foods and how to incorporate them into your diet. Keep watching this video and you will find out the 6 best anti-aging foods for your body. 1. Red bell pepper. Red bell peppers are loaded with antioxidants and are rich in vitamin C, which is good for collagen production, says Adoni Ben David. They're also rich in powerful antioxidants called carotenoids, which are responsible for the red, yellow, and orange colors you see in many fruits and vegetables. You can slice bell peppers and dip them in hummus as a snack, add them into a raw salad, or cook them up in a stir-fry. 2. Papaya. This delicious tropical fruit is rich in a variety of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that may help to improve skin elasticity, says Adoni Ben David. Papaya is rich in vitamins A, C, K, E, B, magnesium, calcium, and many more healthy vitamins and minerals. The wide range of antioxidants in papaya can also help with damages from free radicals. One more cool fact about papaya is it also contains an enzyme called papain, which provides additional anti-aging benefits. Add this fruit to your morning smoothie. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is packed with anti-inflammatory and anti-aging nutrients. It's rich in vitamins C and K. Moreover, it's loaded with fiber and calcium. As I mentioned before, our body needs vitamin C to produce collagen, the main protein in skin that gives it strength and elasticity. Eat it raw, steam it, and mix it in a salad. 4. Nuts. Many nuts are a great source of vitamin E, which aids in the repair of skin tissue and helps with skin moisture, while also protecting our skin from the damaging UV from the sun. Vitamin E is also known to help strengthen skin cell membranes and can give a beautiful glow to our skin. Sprinkle a mix of nuts on top of your salads, or eat a handful as a snack. Don't remove the skin from the nut, as some of the vitamins are in the skin. 5. Avocado. Avocados are high in inflammation-fighting fatty acids that promote smooth, supple skin. They also contain a variety of essential nutrients that may prevent aging. Just like the omega-3s found in salmon, avocados are jam-packed with the inflammation-fighting fatty acids that keep the immune system functioning properly. They also help both your mind and body age gracefully. Add the green fruit into your salads, top your toast, or use it to make a healthy pudding. 6. Sweet potato. If you're tired of boring white potatoes, grab the orange kind instead, because they're full of vitamin A. That's what gives them the orange hue. They help fight off fine lines and wrinkles by revitalizing damaged collagen. Keep things simple by baking it in the oven, and then topping it with veggies or chili. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel.